If your Ford has swollen lug nuts and the socket won't fit on it, they're supposed to be a 19. Go get yourself a 20 millimeter and I'll show you how to get these swelled lug nuts off. So you put the 20 up here. And very carefully beat it on until you get it about that far on. And then take your impact. And then it pulls it right off. And unfortunately, to get this out, you need a vise. Get yourself a hammer, a punch, come over to the vise, put the socket in like this, hold it up at an angle like this, until you get it out like that.